welcome back to another vlog. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are moving apartments, so I thought I'd bring you guys along for the journey. We have about 10 days until we're moving. We are moving at the end of the month, so I'm spending my weekend getting everything organized and trying to get the packing underway because we haven't really packed a whole lot yet. We've been super busy with work and stuff, so I finally have a few days off, so I'm taking advantage of that and just trying to pack as much as I can. But we are super excited for our move. We're moving to a bigger space and it's super close to where we already live and we love this area, so that's great. I'm glad we're not moving too far away. It will also make the move a little easier as well. But we are having movers help us out this time. We're going to be like packing our own stuff ourselves, but we will have the movers to move our stuff from this apartment to the new apartment, so that'll be super helpful rather than us trying to do that ourselves. I feel like it'll just make the process a lot easier. But yeah, we have 10 days, so I'm gonna get some packing done today and just gradually start getting everything done. I've just started packing some of my clothes away, some of our glassware, just the things that we know we're not gonna need until we move, like seasonal stuff, like winter coats, Christmas glasses, like stuff like that. I'm just kind of packing away because we're obviously not gonna need those until we move. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and come. It's been a while since I picked up my camera to film for this vlog. I think maybe a few weeks. I think the last time I filmed was like when I had first started packing. So it has been a while. Obviously the place is looking very different. Everything's in boxes and basically ready to go because we move tomorrow. So super excited. I'm just spending today getting like the last few things packed. We have cleaners coming in this afternoon, so I kind of have to make sure everything is out of the way for them to fully be able to clean the apartment. I'm gonna go pick up the keys later this afternoon as well. Super exciting. But yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick little update on how everything's going, and I can't believe we're moving so soon. Like, it came so fast, but I'm also so ready for it to be over and to just be in the new place. So yeah, super excited for tomorrow. But I'll show you guys what the place is looking like right now. So as you can see, like everything is all in the center there in boxes. And then this is kind of what the kitchen area, that's like our kitchen island under there. Everything's all packed there. Like, it's got a few open boxes, just kind of putting the last of everything in. Like the bathroom, everything's basically empty in here. And then, yeah, the bedroom just got obviously some last minute laundry and stuff. And yeah, it's like just a few little bits and pieces that I'll have to throw into some boxes, but it's pretty much all ready to go. I feel like we're in a good place to move tomorrow. So yeah, I thought I'd give you guys a quick little update, and I will most likely speak to you guys when we're in the new place. All right, ready.
Here we are in our new place.
Woo!
Popping bottles with the squirrels. Popping bottles with the...
guys, it is the next day, so we are in our apartment. We slept here last night. Super happy to finally be in the apartment. Yesterday was a crazy day. A few things went wrong, so it made it a little more stressful than we would have liked, but it's fine. We're in here now. There was just a bit of a mix-up with the time that we were supposed to move in. We were wanting to book it for obviously yesterday, and they had booked it for today. And because it's a new building, there's like lots of people moving in. So there was a lot of other people trying to move in that had actually scheduled to move in yesterday. But we had to be out of our other apartment yesterday. Like we had the movers booked, we had our sign off, like we had to be out. So the concierge here was super great. They helped us out and like helped us with the elevator as much as possible, because obviously we couldn't just book the elevator for ourselves for that whole time. So we had to just use the normal elevators. So it did take a lot longer than it should have, but I'm glad that they were at least able to get us into the apartment yesterday, because that would have been super stressful if we couldn't. So yeah, there was a few just little stressful things, but we had lots of help from people and we're super happy to be in this apartment. So we spent a lot of the day yesterday unpacking things, but we're just going to continue doing that today because there's a lot. We have a lot less storage in this apartment, so we kind of have to get creative and figure out ways to fit all our stuff, but we'll figure it out. I think it's just going to be a bit of a process. It's not something we can obviously do in 2 days. So we do go back to work tomorrow, so we're just going to get as much of it done today as we can and just like get out all the stuff that we're going to actually need. Yeah, get all that sorted, and then I think we're going to try and just relax this afternoon because we do go back to work tomorrow. So we don't want to be exhausted for that, so we'll have a bit of relaxation later on. But yeah, just gonna keep plugging away. We're gonna go to the store a little later to pick up a few things that we need. I will try to do a apartment tour for you guys later as well, show you guys the space, but we love it so far. Again, apart from like the less storage, there is a lot of pros to the apartment, obviously being that it's 2-bedroom now and 2-bathroom as well, by the way. So we've actually decided we're gonna have our own bathroom. So Dustin's gonna have his stuff in one and I'm gonna have my stuff in the other. So I'm actually excited for that. Feel like it'll be nice to just kind of have our own spaces for that, not have to like fight over the shower or fight over the toilet. But it'll definitely make that easier. So yeah, there's lots of pros to the apartment and the view is beautiful as well. Our patio is huge. But yeah, overall we're just super excited to be in the new place and to finally get settled in. And yeah, I didn't get a whole lot of time to film yesterday. There was, like I said, there was just a lot going on. Like I didn't even get to film our old apartment like empty, and like I wanted to do like a little goodbye to that apartment, but I got stuck over at the new apartment trying to figure out our move-in time and everything. So that whole thing didn't really go to plan, so I didn't get as much content. But for now, I'm just gonna keep plugging away and unpacking, and I'll talk to you guys soon. So right when you first walk in, there's these 2 doors here, has our like washer and dryer in there, so nicely tucked away. And then on the right as you walk in is the first bathroom. So this is going to be Dustin's bathroom, so he'll have all his stuff in there. Got a nice big shower in there as well, and the mirrors are great in here. They're like triple door mirrors, so it's the same in my bathroom as well, so it's great. And then you walk straight in and here is the kitchen. Got like the fridge there, or your storage, dishwasher, the oven is bigger than our other apartment, so I'm super excited about that. Super excited to bake in there. And then this one comes with a microwave as well, so we did get rid of our other microwave. Got gas stove. The only thing it doesn't have that we actually ordered one ourselves is a kitchen island. Like we need a kitchen island because it came in handy with like just doing work and stuff. So we are going to get one that we'll put in the middle here. We've ordered that, should arrive in like a week or 2. But then we have the living area. It's honestly going to look the exact same as what we had in our other apartment. There's the patio out there, huge. But yeah, there's the living area. And then you walk down this way, got some storage on the right here. It's like a coat closet, double doors there. We'll just have all our coats in there. And then straight ahead here is the spare bedroom. And it also has a second closet as well, which is going to be super helpful. It's great too because both the bedrooms have doors to go into the patio. So that'll be super helpful because we can't actually access the patio from the living area just because where the doors are and our couch is there. So I think we'll just use the spare door to kind of go on the patio if we want to. But yeah, this is the spare bedroom. go back out here, go to the left, and then you come to the master bedroom. So here is my bathroom there. It's basically the exact same, except I get the bathtub. That's basically why I went with the main bathroom, just because I do use the bath. But again, you got the triple mirrors there. Storage under here as well. And I really love this. It has a little drawer thing to put your hair tools, which is great. Then I don't have to like find a place for those. And then, yeah, here's the main bedroom. So we've got triple door wardrobes there. So kind of just sharing those ones. Have the same bed we had in the other place. Obviously in the middle of putting all my clothes away. But yeah, I think that is all. Yeah, there's the apartment. Hope you guys enjoyed the little tour. Obviously everything is in a mess right now. Maybe I'll try to do another apartment tour once everything's properly set up and in its place. And there's not just stuff lying around everywhere. But I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I think I'll go ahead and end the vlog here. So just in case I don't speak to you guys again, thank you so much for being here and watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're excited to come along on this new adventure with us in a new place. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.